Good evening, everyone. Today we have to discuss about HTML basics. So, if we see the web page like this, we are seeing. So, how this happening in the web page, we have to know the basics now. Okay. సో మనం చూడండి ఈ వెబ్ పేజ్ క్రియేట్ అయింది కదా ఈ వెబ్ పేజ్ లో ఈ విధంగా మనకి ఎలా మనం క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నారు అసలు ఈ వెబ్ పేజెస్ ఎలా ఫామ్ అవుతున్నాయి అనేది చూద్దాం ఒకసారి ఓకే సో నేను ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ I opened taken one Sublime text, deleting this. So by using the HTML language only, they are creating these web pages. HTML language is nothing but hypertext markup language. Markup language. ఈ లాంగ్వేజ్ ను ఉపయోగించి మనకి వెబ్ పేజెస్ అయితే క్రియేట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో దే ఆర్ క్రియేటింగ్ దీస్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ బై యూజింగ్ hypertext markup language is called HTML. And another one more thing is CSS. CSS is nothing but cascading style sheet. So this is what to create the style of the sheet. That means to create the style of the web page, we are using CSS. Okay. So HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. The CSS is nothing but cascading style sheet. All the web pages are using these two formats. We have to see how they will be formed. I'm deleting previous sheets. Again here also I'm deleting. This also I did. Now I deleted all the previous code. So I'm taking one new file. I'm taking a new file. So it is called is writing new, and you have to save this file by using and this is first dot html. So that means my first HTML page it is. That's why I'm taking a first dot html. So why we are taking dot html? So whatever you are doing the work in HTML, always you have to take the dot html extension. Okay, so I'm saving this. So here it was saved first HTML. Like so, we are in HTML language. That I'm taking first one is HTML tag. This is called a tag. Tag is nothing but we are always using like a thread. We are tagging outside towels or shirts like that. No. So similarly, this is also tag. Tag is closed, and two types of tags we have. We have two types of tags. One is container tag. Container tag. Another one is linear tag. Linear tag. So I want to explain you about what is container tag and what is linear tag. See now this is what HTML and I'm closing this HTML. I'm closing this HTML. See here this is the tag with the angular brackets. So this is also HTML angular brackets and this is slash. So this is the closed tag. This indicates the closing of the tags. So what is the difference between this tag and this tag? So there is no slash. So whenever we are ending that HTML page, we have to write there we have to give the symbol slash symbol we have to write. Then this is container tag. Container means inside of this tag we have to write. So every man has some head and body like this HTML has also have head and body. So I'm taking a head tag. So this is head. For closing we have to write like this. So now in this head tag, so in another tag that is title tag. So after that title tag and this is closing of the title tag. So in this title I'm writing this is sorry this Kumar 5. Taking it. Okay, in title, this is head part. See, this is totally HTML. In this HTML, I taken one head. And in this head, I taken one title. This title will show our web page. This is the web page title. So in this, so after this, we have to write some paragraphs or some letters we are writing now. So for that, we are using body. So this is called a body tag. So in this body, I'm closing this body tag. This body. So first, I'm giving one heading. So this is heading tag. H1 is nothing but heading. So I'm taking it as heading 1. See now heading open now. So I want to close the heading tag. Heading 1. Similarly, so heading 2. So here heading tags are 6 heading tags we have. So H1 tag like this. So first of all we have to check how the heading 1 is showing. So this is H1 tag. So actually once I'm explaining again, this is head, this is what it is body. In body only we are doing the work. Whatever the designs or styles maybe we have to use in inside of the body tag only. Okay. So now shall we check it is working or not. So whatever we are writing, we have to save. So by using the file and save, we can use. Otherwise, we have to use Control S. Okay. Now I want to see my page. Open in web browser. See heading when it is showing. See this is Kumar file. So where I kept this Kumar file, this title I kept in Kumar file now. So at that title it will be show inside of top of the web page. This is web page. In this web page heading one it is showing. Okay. So taken the Sublime again. So H1 I show now. So I have to show now here H2 heading. How it is we showing? We have to heading 2. So we see this again. I'm saving this. See, this is heading 1 and this is heading 2. Similarly, I have to show you in heading 3 also. Heading heading 3. Okay, I'm saving this. Heading 3. And then another one is I will show you similarly. So we have heading 4 tag and 10 close. Again heading 5. And again I closed and heading 6. Open and closed. This I will write those heading 4. This I will write heading 5. This I will writing heading 6. So I have to save. Okay. So shall we see all these 6 headings? Okay. See, this is heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. So like this we have to write the some fonts in a web page. So we cannot write directly. So actually if we see in a Word, Microsoft Word, we are writing direct values, but in web page we have to use these tags, then automatically they will be updated in a web page. So of this web page we have to learn about how to insert a para. So para tag is angular bracket p and that close. This is also the container tag. Sorry. Okay. Close the body now. Okay, we use the already p. Okay. Okay, in this para I will write today I am teaching HTML for web developers, web developers of software software industry. These web developers developers create um, web page web pages for the US for the users. We are all are users. Okay. So how it will be stored in a website we have to see. So now I'm again opening this. That was not we have to refresh. So to refresh what we are writing, we have to click here, then it will be refreshed. See, today I am teaching HTML for the web developers of the software industry. These web developers create your web pages for this for the users. Okay, so we are seeing this is only one line. So if we see on our code, so it is two lines, but it is showing here only one line. So if I here down, it is showing here three lines, but it is showing there only one line. Again, we are saying I'm control save, and again it is showing only one line. So how we can write the line by line in HTML in in web page? So we have to take there whatever we wherever we need we have to use break tag. Then it will be come down. Today I am teaching HTML first. After that there is a break tag. So these web developers will be come down, and that means it will be come to next page. So we have to see that. See. Today I am teaching HTML for web developers of software industry. These web developers created. I want of these web developers. That means I want another line from here. Okay. So I have to write the code for this. Where I want these. After these, I want to send these to web developers will be a next line. So before that, these we have to take a break tag, and it will become down. So after that, control save. So now control save, then refresh. See, these web developers. Okay, I want to color these lines. Today I am teaching for the web developers of the software industry. These I want some color of the lines. So in this paragraph tag, you have to use style. In this style, you have to use color. In this color, you have to use whatever you want. I want blue, so blue. So save, control save, and then refresh. See, it will become a blue color. Okay. So for that, uh, I want this background color is some red. I want. So suppose I want pink background color. So this you have to take background color, background. Background. I want that this background is suppose uh, red I want. See, background will become a red color. Okay, thank you. We will learn more after uh, af- uh, after that we have to learn next class. After my next class, I have to wait. Okay, thank you.